Go. Okay, bring it back.
Adventures with Arjun.
Namaste everyone, that's Arjun, I'm Rajni, and welcome to our channel. So we're on another adventure. What? Ants? Ants. Today's hint is, you'll find it flying around in the skies. It starts with the letter H. What is it? So the great thing about this park is all of this landscape that you can, pretty much run around in and burn off some steam. And what's great in the winter time is that this hill that you see here is covered with snow, and you can use your toboggan to go down. And it's not too big of a hill, so it's great for younger kids. So this is one of the parks that we absolutely love coming to. You know how to do it better this time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! You're fine? Uh-oh. As long as you're fine. What else are you going to play with? So do you see? That's the helicopter. So it's not a real helicopter, but it's still a pretty fun helicopter, I think. You can do it. Oh, wow. And we saw a real helicopter. Can you believe it? Are you having fun? No. You look like you're having fun. Thanks for watching. All the places shown here are Arjun and my favorite places to visit. Links to them are in the description below. Like and subscribe if you want to come on more adventures with Arjun. And don't forget to share if you want to bring friends.
Bye-bye.